a little something for the Tesla. Let's go ahead and check it out, party people. What is going on, party people? Ride or Drive back with another one. Got a little something for the Tesla, the steering wheel to be specific. It's going to be a 3-piece steering wheel cover. This came from EVKITT. There's the name brand, and obviously this comes from China. I do not know if that's either Cantonese or Mandarin on here. So this came in another package, though the box did not come like this, but action will be taken against counterfeit products over patent. Wow. They spelled it wrong. I didn't even see that. 4S exclusive 3-piece steering wheel cover. Like I said, this comes from EVKITT. So let's open it up. Looks like everything comes in a little bag. We don't need this. Alright, so 3-piece kit. Looks like every individual piece has this bag. So this is probably the side bolster, and it just basically pops into the steering wheel there. So let's see the other pieces. I believe this is the other one, or it could be the very top part. Excuse the camera moving everywhere. Yeah, this is the other one. This is gonna go here like so. It just basically pops in. And the other one, this should be the very top of the steering wheel. Yeah, and as you can see, it does have the red mark, and I'm assuming that this is the forward side, as it has much of a bigger drop. And so what you want to do is just measure it and push it in. As of now, I don't know which way it goes. Oops, sorry. Interesting. So I'm going to get this on. Well, that one just went in like that, but I want to make sure that this is straight before I do anything else. So what I'm going to do is put on these pieces here first, because they're supposed to meet all the way to the bottom there. So I might get that on first before I put this one on to be taken off, and I'll show you how they look. They fit on there pretty tight, actually. You have that groove here in the steering wheel, and you have this groove here. So kind of hard to do this with one hand. Okay, there we go. That popped in. That's how it looks. So as you can see, it comes up to the middle part. The other one of this is going to meet down there. Okay, that's that. I'll tell you what though, the fitment is on point. This right here doesn't, I think I overlapped it, so I have to move this up. Let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to put the phone down and I'll show you the end result, because I'm doing this with one hand. I should have been doing this with my tripod, but it is what it is. Let me get this installed properly. I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, so it's installed. Gotta meet these two. There's a line here at the bottom of the steering wheel. You want it to fit perfectly fine there. You have to move it around, and then the piece kind of meets up Let's see on this side, you might be able to see that better. And then you've got the red stripe here. So it does look good. They had a white one. They also had a carbon fiber look. I don't have any carbon fiber on my interior, so I didn't want to go with that. You got your area here where your thumb can rest. It's got like a little bolster here, as you can see there, so your finger can rest. It's not really the softest material. I think the steering wheel, the stock steering wheel, was a lot softer, but it does look actually pretty good. You know, you have your grooves here that show, but because it's pretty much the same color as the steering wheel, you don't really see it. So again, they have white, they've got this part in carbon fiber. I went with just the black, and the fitment is really good. Yeah, this fits really good. Just when you put it in, you gotta kind of squeeze it so it could sit right. Yeah, so remember when I was showing you this part, one groove comes up a little bit shorter, and that's on the back side of it, so you'll only see this side. When you're driving, you won't really see that little, where, you know, the stock steering wheel is. But I do like it. This was like around, I think it was 34 bucks plus the shipping. They sent it out pretty quick too. It didn't take that long. I got it, I'd say maybe about a week and a half, if that. And I was kind of skeptical about it. I was like, oh, this is gonna look like crap, but I do like it. I do like the way it feels. It does make the steering wheel feel a little bit thicker because it's a thicker material, but we'll see how long this lasts. And another thing, it will protect the steering wheel from the sun. I know some of these steering wheels for the Teslas have had issues with sun damage, but you may not like this, you know, where it shows the steering wheel, but it's fine. Like I said, it matches the steering wheel very good. It's almost the same color, so you don't really see that. I do like this part. It reminds me of my Mustang wheel that I had when I had my Mustang S550. Trying to see how the measurement of that red stripe is, but it looks good. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Very happy with it. So there you go, guys. 3-piece steering wheel cover for the Tesla from EVKITT. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I don't have any discount codes for them. If I did, I would have put them in the description. I purchased this on my own. A lot of the parts that I buy are, you know, my own from my pocket. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the road. Peace.